Have you ever wondered what would happen if you gave your plants a single spoon of olive oil? Most gardeners don't even imagine this. Yet what follows can completely transform the way your plants grow. Take 1 spoon of pure olive oil, yes, the same golden liquid that nourishes life in the Mediterranean. Now mix it well in 1 liter of clean water. Stir until the oil spreads finely across the surface. This simple blend is far more powerful than it appears. Gently pour this mixture directly onto the soil around your plants. No need to spray, just let the roots drink it in. The oil slowly seeps down, locking in soil moisture, reducing evaporation, and feeding beneficial microbes. It strengthens the roots and boosts the plant's natural defenses. Within days, you'll notice leaves becoming glossier, stems standing firmer, and growth appearing more vibrant than before. It's as if the plant absorbs a hidden energy from within the earth. But remember, moderation is key. Use this mix only once every 2 weeks. A small amount does wonders, while too much can block oxygen flow in the soil. Try this once and watch your garden thank you in its own green language, with lush growth and lasting freshness. Give this simple olive oil trick a try and witness nature's magic unfold right before your eyes. Your plants will never be the same again.